Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Nike Dunk Wash Teal. I gotta give you the on feet. I gotta give you a review on the sizing, and you know it's only right that I give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. All right, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box. This is the box from Nike. I was able to get these for the retail. They dropped they had, I guess, like a restock or whatever on sneakers, and I was able to cop them. They ran me about $110, so I said, hey, why not? Let's do this, man. So right here I do have the pull tab. Now, one thing I do want to say is I like the box house a little bit smaller. I mean, everybody that knows Nike's writing knows that this is like that standard Nike writing right here, but I like the fact that the box isn't humongous. But we do have a pull tab right here on the back, so let's go ahead and peel back, gang. You know the vibes. We're gonna go ahead and peel it back. Now let's open this joint up, man, because you know the Dunks have been going crazy for a long time now, man. And it's only right that I started putting my hands on a couple more pair, man. So let's go ahead. Right here, as you can see, the Nike Dunk right here does say Nike Dunk Low Me. Now, I'm not sure exactly what that means, but let's go ahead and take it out right here. We do have the Nike Dunk Low Me, and it says washed teal and bleached coral. Hopefully, we can catch that right there. Washed teal and bleached coral. Now, let's go ahead, man, take a look at these shoes, man. We do have that orange Nike sportswear box right here. Standard box. Open it up, and oh yes, these are looking very clean right here. Let's go ahead and take the shoe out. We do have that Nike Dunk right here in that washed teal with the coral. Now, one thing that I do like is that we do kind of have like some texture right here. It's almost like a snake skin type of a vibe that you're getting. So there's a little bit of hits of black in there. We do have that washed teal on the back as well. We have the bleached coral Nike sign, washed teal laces. I mean, this is a very good looking shoe. I feel like when you have a Dunk, especially a low, if you can get that base color to be white, then it's going to be a clean shoe. Right here on that tongue, we do have the Nike with that coral Nike sign right there on the front. That coral also comes in on that back heel tab of the shoe as well. Now, right here, one thing I do notice is that we kind of have that basic synthetic kind of leather right here. I feel like it will be, these will crease very easily. I mean, but you got to wear the shoes. That's what they're for. If you take a look at the inside right here, we do have on that insole a Nike sign in that bleached coral as well, man. So, I mean, the shoe overall is a very nice looking shoe. We have a white nylon tongue. I mean, I'm almost getting Miami vibes from this shoe right here. It just kind of gives me that bright kind of Miami vibe-ish. And I feel like also by having those little hits of black, you can also wear these maybe with like black jeans just to kind of play off of that. But like I said, you know I got to give you the on feet. You know I got to give you outfit ideas, man. So stay tuned. And so, you know, I had to give you the on feet. So I decided to give you the on feet with some shorts, with some jeans, with some cargos. You feel me? I got a couple different looks as far as the on foot portion is concerned, but you know, this is right here. I just like to tie them up, not too tight. Try to keep them a little bit loose right here, man. But as you can tell, they look really clean, and I feel like they go with the summer months. They also go with the spring. You can kind of get away with a little bit of the fall, but I wouldn't really consider these like winter type shoes. You feel me? You can still get away with these though in the fall. And on these, I would definitely go true to size. I did go with my true size of a size 10, and they fit me very nicely. You have a little bit of wiggle room, but not too much where it's like flopping off of your feet. And right here, I do have the Dunks on with the Nike Tech Fleece jogger pants. And this is one of those times where, you know, you could get away with these in the fall. You got your sweatpants on, you might have the jacket on, have the whole sweatsuit when it's not too cold, but it's a little nippy outside, you feel me? It's definitely clean, definitely a good look. You can't go wrong with gray sweats, you know, regardless of the brand. See, now right here, I do have the Dunks on with some black jeans. Now, that might be a little bit of a stretch, but like I said, that kind of snake skin has a little bit of black in there, so you can play off of the black and throw some black jeans on with it. And it's really just about how you swag it out, man. You throwing a nice little teal shirt or something like that, and you're A-okay. And this would be my favorite pair of jeans to wear with these. I mean, the shoe is a nice bright color. You can't go wrong with some light blue jeans, you feel me? It's just gonna keep it clean, it's gonna keep it crisp right there. And I mean, you can go out nighttime, daytime. It's kind of like a universal type of a fit. And right here, I do have the cargo pants, you feel me? I do like these because they do have that zipper. You can open it up, kind of get more of that coverage over the dunk. You know, that's kind of like the flare out pants that people are kind of wearing right now. But, you know, I don't like to do too much of a flare on it. You can definitely zip them up if you want to show off more of the shoe. And you know I got outfit ideas, man, so stay tuned. And you already know the vibes, man. If I can get something off with a white tee and shorts, I will definitely do that. So right here, I do have the Nike woven shorts. Match up pretty well with the Dunks right here, you feel me? White tee. I do have the white top 30 hat club joint, you feel me? But this is just one of those chill fits, you know, something. Go to the store real quick. You're not really tripping, but you still clean at the same time. And right here, I do have on my favorite jeans, you feel me? Now, these are the light blue jeans, and I feel like a light blue pair of jeans is almost like a white t-shirt, and that's just in terms of versatility. You can wear it with pretty much anything. Now, right here, I do have on the crew neck sweater. This is Club Fleece, Nike Club Fleece, man. So it matches up with that coral on the Nike sign right there on the shoes, man. Very clean. Like I'm saying, it gives you a little bit of warmth with it, but you can't really go wrong with a fit like this, man. And remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got a lot more stuff coming. Oh yes, and right here we have basically the same fit, except we have that washed teal crew neck, you feel me? So you going into that fall, you might need a little something on your body, you feel me, just to stay a little bit warm. Now, this ain't like no puffer jacket, but it'll keep you nice. You get that coordination, you gonna look good, man. All right, and let me know, which outfit did you like the best? Were you able to pick these up? They're only going for like maybe $20 over retail, man. Definitely like this shoe. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I holla.